Hi, welcome to this video. In this video, we will walk you through the workflow of processing a test request placed by a patient from CloudLIMS Patient Portal. As a first step, you need to make the necessary settings required for a patient to place a test request. To learn how to configure the settings, watch the tutorial titled Learn How to Configure Placing a Test Order from CloudLIMS Patient Portal. Subsequently, the patient needs to log into the patient portal and place a test order. To learn how a patient can place a test order, watch the tutorial titled Learn How to Place a Test Order via CloudLIMS Patient Portal. Once the test order is placed, the test request is automatically accepted and assigned to a staff member for processing. All authorized lab users can see the test request under the Tasks tab. Based on the sample type selected by the patient in the test order, a new sample record is created under the respective sample type in the Sample Management module and is associated with the patient. Similarly, based on the test selected by the patient, a new test record is created in the Test Management module under the respective test type and is associated with the sample. Once the test results are entered and validated, the sample testing status and the test results validation status get updated, and the same status is reflected in the patient portal under Testing Details. To complete processing the test order, you need to generate the test report. Press Generate Report and stay to generate the report. If there are no further reports to generate, press Generate Report and close. To release the report, click the link under Reports. Select the record whose report you would like to release and press Release Report. Once the report is released, the order status gets updated from In Queue to Completed in the patient portal. Thank you for watching the video. For any suggestions or questions, please email us at support@cloudlims.com or call 1-302-789-0447.